Hi kitty cats. So we're gonna do the last part of the lippie declutter. I have some lippies in this drawer, so we're gonna take them out and go through them, and some other things too, like this, which the cap is gone, so we need to get rid of it. So that's the first thing, I guess. That was the Diana's Goat Milk Skincare Peach Delight Lip Balm, which I don't know what happened to the cap. It just like disappeared. We also have the lip balm I have been using lately, the Noya Original Vanilla Lip Balm. Sorry about my nails, but I haven't redone my nails, even though I have all the time in the world to do them. Right now, I haven't been doing them. And as you can see, there's a black cat here that she has decided that she's laying there, and so that's all there is to that. I've got some of this watermelon lip scrub called Pucker Up from Wet n Wild. There isn't too much left, so I'm keeping it because I'm gonna go through the rest of that pretty soon anyways. Then I have this, which I actually have a lot left of. I've got to start using it more. So once I finish with the watermelon one, I'll be using it. The Velour Lip Scrub Pink Lemonade, you know, the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrubs. And I gotta get through this. I think it's funny, it's called Pink Lemonade, but it's an orange container. You'd think it would be a pink one, but no, apparently not. I've got this Wicked Sisters Liquid Lippie. And let me just show you a little swatch of that. I'm not, you can see that on my hand there. It's a very pretty color. I like it a lot. It's definitely staying. Then we've got this She-Wolf Angel Empire Cosmetics, this blue glittery stuff. And if you saw for one of my looks, I used this on top of that, and it was really pretty. You can see that next to it. It's only like faintly, there you go. Blue and glittery. Very yum yum, in my opinion. We've got this Too Faced. I love the packaging on this, to be honest. I think the packaging. And Love is a Battlefield. It's a very vampy color. And I happen to like this one a lot. I'll definitely keeping it. Then we've got NYX Cosmetics, NYX Cosmic Metals Lip Cream in the color, where is it? Extraterrestrial. And we'll swatch that for you. It's a very pretty metallic dark green. Sometimes backing it up makes it focus more, and sometimes not. There we go. I'm sorry if that's bothering your tail, but that's life, okay? Then I've got this hologram prismatic lip gloss in the color The Freak from Dollface. I think this came in an Ipsy, or I got it, I may have gotten it in a giveaway. I'm not sure. It's really pretty. See that there? I'm gonna wipe those off, which is really gonna tick this cat off, because I think my wipes are in there. I'm sorry, but it's okay. She's fine. She ran off. She's a little offended, but trust me, she'll deal with it. You can hear all the cats running around. It's kind of a miserable day out too, so they haven't gone outside much. So now we can get on to the next color. We've got Julep. This is actually one of my favorite reds. Julep Lady in Red. I miss the Julep subscription box. They made a huge mistake when, I know it wasn't the original owner that did it, because she was bought out and then they stopped doing the box, which was like, basically most people I know that got Julep products got the box, and then they would use the discount on the products. Otherwise people didn't buy them, they're just too expensive. And I kind of like, until I see this, I kind of forget that Julep exists. Like, or if I see the nail polishes, which I have separate from my other nail polishes, so it's like, oh yeah, that's right, Julep. They were awesome, but they're gone now. This is I&M Frozen Lipstick in Runway Red. This is kind of a weird one. It's a pretty red. It has like little gold bits in it, but they're very, very like fine, so honestly most of the time you can't tell. But it's also like got like a menthol to it, which I don't know. Honestly, I have so many other reds, but I think I'm gonna let this one go. Let it go. Okay. What else do we got here? I'm keeping all the lip pencils. I've got Exaggerate, Rimmel. I'll show you that in a second. Even though I rarely use lip pencils, honestly, I use lip pencils as like eye pencils a lot. This is missing its top, so I'm getting rid of it. It was I Am Unique. I don't even know. Well, it's gone now. That's going because it's a mess. And then we've got this e.l.f. Blend and Line lipstick. So it's got like a liner on one side and then the lipstick on the other side kind of thing. And it doesn't even seem to be working anymore. Like nothing's coming out of it. So this is going to, I think I maybe used it twice. Like it just wasn't my thing. The Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color in Aubergine. This is very pretty. I don't know why I don't wear it more often. I like dark vampy colors, so yeah, I should wear this more often, right? That one's staying. I think, so I'm only keeping one lip pencil. That's a little sad. We've got this lipstick here. It's called Smoking on Screen from Auteur Cream Lip Color. Very pretty. Yes, I like. It's like a berry color. Very nice. I'm keeping that. Now this I've never used, but I'm going to. I've got to make a video of it. It's the Wow Long Lasting Lip Color from Romantic Bear. And you put it on and then you can peel it off. So I'm holding on to this to make a video. At some point here, people. At some point. Now we've got a bunch of NYX lippies. And you know, I got rid of a lot of them because they were drying out and stuff. So I'm pretty happy that I had some new ones this year. NYX Liquid Suede Creamless Lipstick in Kitten Heels. This is a beautiful red. So beautiful. And then we've got NYX in the color Whipped Caviar. That's really pretty. Keeping that. I'm keeping all of these, to be honest. I know I am, but I'm showing them all to you. This is NYX in the matte lipstick in the color Siren. That's very pretty. That I'm going to wipe off before I do more. So, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing well. I'm actually doing pretty good. My new infusion medication is starting to work, so let's hope I can keep taking it. Because it is starting to work. I've got this NYX Max lipstick in the color Natural. It's pretty. I'm not crazy about the name because what is natural? I don't know. Then we got another NYX Liquid Suede in the color Cherry Skies. I actually really love this color. So, super happy. Beautiful. Then we got a NYX Butter Gloss in the color Angel Food Cake. It's actually quite pretty. And you know I'm not a huge gloss person, but the NYX glosses I tend to like a little bit. I feel like they're more pigmented than most glosses, and it just does not want to focus. Why? Yeah, okay. After a while, it's just like, no. The NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the color Cans. This is another nice one. That I'm making a mess with. Come on, focus. Why are you being a jerk? Stop being a jerk. I'm sorry. It starts to focus and then it doesn't. I don't know why it's doing that to me. I don't know. NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the color Milan. Which is a very pretty pink. Like Barbie pink. Like metallic Barbie pink. Isn't that pretty? And now you want to focus. Of course, those are the other colors. Then NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Monte Carlo. Pretty. No, it doesn't want to focus again because it doesn't like me. This camera is being a jerk to me today. There we go. Okay. We got two more and then we're all done. We've got the NYX Matte Lipstick in Perfect Red. You know I love my reds. Oh, beautiful. Isn't that pretty? And then we've got the NYX Liquid Suede and Tea and Cookies, which is like one of my favorite colors for when I just want something simple to put on my lips. There you go. And that is all of them. So, I'm hoping that they'll all fit with what I'm keeping, but probably not. Some of them don't fit into my lipstick case anyways, like this. So this is definitely going to go back there. But anyways, these are the 3 lippies that are going. They're gone, kaputs. And these 2 are just getting thrown out because they're not even good. This will get put in with the other stuff for my daughter to go through. I'm just showing those off again because I like looking at swatches. And this is the rest of the stuff. There you go. Don't know why I'm singing Ariel music. So there you go. I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. And please share, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, because it really helps me out. I know this video was not as energetic as some of the others, but please check out my other videos if you're new to the channel. And otherwise than that, try to be kind. I know the world is crazy right now, but try to be kind, okay? Bye, kitty cats.